Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In our previous videos, we discussed many reading comprehension passages by applying the reading strategies and techniques of skimming, scanning, inference, contextual reading, or intensive reading. And we have annotated the text as well. These are the techniques that will help you solving any reading comprehension within a limited time. It can be an international exam or your board exams as well, and these texts are taken from the AKUEB HSSC papers latest. So the passage one. So I read the first line to get an idea what the passage is about. It's about blog or blogging, an online journal or information website. So it's about blogging. I get an idea, and with the text which is providing information on something, that is an expository text. Question number, I'll directly solve the questions by applying the strategies based on the demand of the question. If it is asking for skimming, or if it is asking for a specific location or specific information, then obviously I'll apply scanning. Or if it is asking for inference, or if it is asking for the contextual meaning. The author begins the given passage by how he begins. Obviously, the very first line, he's defining what blog is, web blog. So he's defining the blog. Another term similar to the word relies in line number 7. So keep in mind that based on your previous knowledge, if you know the meaning of this word rely or relies, which means it can be dependent or it can be trust as well. But here in line 7 we'll see in which context it is used. Line number 7, this is line number 5, this is 6, and this is 7. So we will read one line to get an idea in which context it is used. On the internet, in order to increase his or her visibility, a businessman relies on depend on consumers view. So he is depending on consumer views to gain a profit. So here it is not used in the sense of trust, it is used in the sense of dependent. In paragraph 3, an effective blog is described as paragraph 3. We will skim paragraph 3 for effective blog. This is paragraph 1, this is paragraph 2, 2 is the lengthy one, and this is paragraph 3. So we will skim this paragraph to get an idea what effective blogging is about. So an effective blog is the one that is frequent, you post there frequently, right? First idea is this one. And then this means that a blog is an effective lead tool generation. How? The one which allows people to showcase their authority and build a brand. And apart from this, a good effective blog is the one where people use their own knowledge for creating informative and engaging post. Informative engaging post which will obviously build trust with the audience, and great blogging makes the business look like more credible. So here the main ideas are informative, engaging, and credibility. Is talking about the entire passage. So let us move to the questions. It's paragraph 3. Effective blog is the one in which the author expresses himself in a better way to engage the audience. Yes, it is mentioned. Informative, yes, your blog should be informative. Is there any mention of skepticism? This skeptical or skepticism means doubt. So this is the third option is not mentioned. So first is mentioned, second is mentioned. So the appropriate option is both A and B, or first and two. In line 27, the word visitor is used in the context of all of the following except line 27 visitor, line 27 visitor, line 25, 26, 27. So generally you can also guess from visitor that a visitor is a someone who is a guest, a visitor is a someone who views something. So from a visitor perspective, the content on a static site will not change. So a viewer is a guest. Yes, viewer is the guest. A viewer is the internet user. Yes, a viewer is the observer who observe things, read things. So a viewer is not a creator, right? The purpose of the author in using an exclamation mark in line number 30 is why he used exclamation mark in line number 30 here at the end of the passage. Line 30 at the end, why he used exclamation mark here. Let us see. First, he is talking about important aspect to remember is what is that the topics are relevant to world today, contemporary world. So from here we can guess that the topics of your blogging are the relevant to the current uh, updates or current situations or contemporary world. So here he is talking about issues, and our current issue or the burning issue of our time, contemporary issue is climate change. So here the author mentioned climate change to mention that climate change is a very recent relevant phenomena, so it's relevancy of blogging. The author of the given passage provides least information, looking for these modifiers again and again. Least information, although there is a mention of authenticity of blog, credibility, yes. There is a mention of criteria for a good blog, yes, there is mention. There is a mention of main features of a blog, yes, is mentioned. But there is very less least information you can find about any layout of a blog, right? Very least, maybe mention on the one line or one word about it, very least, but not discuss in detail. The tone of the author in the given passage is obviously neutral. He's not critical about anything, he's not concerned, or his tone is not boring or monotonous. He's not passionate about anything or this blogging. He's just representing us or giving us information. His purpose is to inform the audience about what blogging is. He's not taking any side, he's neutral, so he's giving information in a very objective or impartial way that is neutral. The information in the given passage is mainly given through, although comparison is there, comparison between blog and website, but mainly. So in expository, description is also included. Sometimes description details are in expository. So there is a complete description about what blogging is. He explored blogging with all the details he has provided. So it's a detailed description of blogging. Alternative title for this text can be overview of blogging. Yes, this seems more stable. Why? Because when you read, you get a fair idea that the entire passage is about blogging. So it's an overview, main ideas. Blogging made fun? No, nothing like that. No recipes, no blogging genius, no. So the text type of the given passage is an expository, or you can call it informative, because expository writing or expository text is known as informative text. So I hope you get idea. Thank you for watching. If you want more videos or feedback on listening as well, let me know in the comments, or if you want to solve closed passages, I'll help you with those as well. Thank you for watching.